Verifying your Temu account is an important step to ensure your security and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Temu app or website. Start by launching the Temu application on your device or visiting the Temu website on your browser. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials, including your email address and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 4. Select verification options. Look for the verification section within the account settings. Here, you will find options to verify your identity, which may include email verification, phone number verification, or document submission. Step 5. Follow the verification instructions. Choose your preferred verification method and follow the on-screen instructions. This may involve entering a code sent to your email or phone or uploading identification documents. Once you have completed these steps, your Temu account should be verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.